Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making Mauritian fried noodles and with the garlic sauce. You know what? I can't wait for you guys to try this because it is amazing and it smells so good right now. So let's go check out my recipe. The first thing that we're gonna get started on is the chicken. Let's marinate it to make it juicy and tender. Add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and about 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it all up and then set it aside for now. Now let's make the garlic sauce. I have 1.5 cup of water, about 2 tablespoons of green onions, about 1 or 2 splash of white vinegar, and last 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Mix this together and set it aside. If you would like, you can add more water or even less green onions and just mix it up and set it aside. Now grab your wok and put some oil in there, let it heat up, and put in your chicken. You want to cook this fully before putting it away in another bowl. So you can use chicken thighs for this, and if you're using chicken thighs, you don't need to put cornstarch. But this one is chicken breasts, and usually chicken breasts are very dry, so that's why I marinate it before I cook it. You can cook it on low heat if you like, but I like cooking it on high heat and then just mixing it as it's heating. And then it gives it that nice brown color, and then you know it's ready to go. And now the shrimps. The shrimps, it won't take too long to cook, so it should be pretty fast and easy. So when shrimps are cooked, you'll see that it turns orange. So just flip them over and cook it on the other side. Now if you see, everything is white and orange, and you know for a fact that it is done. And you can always break it in half too, just to see. There we go. If it's coming off like this, that means that it's good to go. And now let's fry your 2 eggs. And with this, you're almost making it like scrambled. It doesn't look pretty right now, but it will, trust me. It's coming together nicely. The eggs are done. So again, you can have it either scramble or you can do omelets and then you can cut them. So whichever works easier for you. I like this method more. Just a preference for myself. Now it's the carrots. Just fry it up a little bit. After about a minute frying this, add in your mushrooms. You can add in a little bit of a tablespoon of oil if you like. Let this fry. After about a minute of adding the mushrooms, adding your bok choy. And the bok choy is really going to shrink down, so don't worry too much about it. Everything's just going to sweat nicely all together, like as if they're in a sauna. And that's exactly what you want. And this is it. This is all the vegetables that I'm adding. See how the bok choy actually just sweat right down. And you can add anything else that you like. Anything like cabbage or even like pak choy instead of bok choy, or just anything really. Just make it yours. So this is done, and now let's get started on the noodles. And now just put in your noodles. So if you have fresh noodles, you do not have to boil it in the water. But if you have store-bought noodles, just like I have here, just put it in for about 2 to 3 minutes and that's it. And I like to keep this separate because see, the water just turns white and that's all the starch that's coming out. And then I'm gonna transfer this back into my wok, and then we'll continue with the fried noodles. After you drained all the water out, put the noodles in the wok. And now we're gonna have to cook really quickly with this. Add in some oil, about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, some dark soy sauce, now some of this special sauce. It seems like a lot, but don't worry. We are frying this up and it'll taste really freaking good. And now I added in half of the veggies and the chicken, mix it a little bit together, and then add in the rest. It's a lot, but don't you worry. And then turn down the heat. Thank you so much for watching. That was my recipe of Mauritian fried noodles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more recipes. And I'm just gonna try this out because why not? So you take your garlic sauce, put it on top, and then of course you have, I know I'm just digging right in. And then you have your chili, big bite. Oh my God. See you next time.